Now let's return to equities because AT&T is our stock of the hour. Stock's taking a long leg downwards after earnings that disappointed investors. Emma Chandra is here with more. Key takeaway to do with its rival?
Well, yes, in a sense, because they've actually lost a number of subscribers. It was their first subscriber loss in 5 quarters. Take a look at the Bloomberg here. I've got a chart which shows how the subscribers have fallen. They lost 232,000 regular monthly wireless subscribers in the last quarter. Analysts had expected a gain of almost 90,000.
Wow.
So a big difference there. Obviously, lower subscriptions equals lower profit, so their EPS missed as well. What they were actually hit hardest by was dwindling tablet subscriptions. The devices have become slightly less popular, so people are less willing to pay for a monthly subscription.
Or Wi-Fi.
Well, exactly. I mean, you can just log on anywhere now, you know, just pop into Starbucks, essentially. So that was one of the main reasons there. But we can also talk a little bit about rivals as well, if you'd like. Anticipating a further question here.
Well, let's go there, because Verizon came out with numbers, and of course, they've chosen a different strategy than AT&T, right? They're going to stick with their knitting. And the numbers may have raised hopes that AT&T would follow suit with something similar.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. So they passed on mega deals in favor of sticking, Verizon did in favor of sticking with their core business. And we know, obviously, that AT&T has just completed that mega merger with Time Warner, which they spent $85 billion on. You mentioned they posted surprisingly strong earnings results. The stock is up over 2 days. It's having a great couple of days, especially when you compare it with the rest of the broader market. Yeah. The other rivals are, of course, the likes of Netflix and Amazon. And it's part of the reason, actually, AT&T branched out, why they went after Time Warner, because they got hot properties like HBO, like CNN, that would help them compete with the likes of Netflix. But also, going back to something that Lisa was just saying in your previous segment, Netflix may not be the unassailable rival that everyone thought it was. They just had this big corporate bond offering, and they had to sort of offer yields at the higher end of the spectrum, and Netflix is down today, which is something we don't often see.